Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to place your PlayStation 5 into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So go to your controller and look at it. There's going to be a couple of different buttons that you need to know. So this one right here is going to be the sharing button. So just look at it, and then this is going to be the PlayStation button. Sharing button, PlayStation button. And you want to hold both those buttons down at the same time to put it into the pairing mode. So first, we're going to need to turn off our controller. So you can see the lights are on. Hold down this PlayStation button. And after about 10 seconds, our controller is going to turn off. So you can see the light on it right there. And I have the Edge version of the controller. So this is the Pro version. So once it's turned off, now hold down that sharing button right here and the PlayStation button at the same time. And this is going to cause the light bar to blink. So it should start blinking. There it is. So if you're trying to connect it to your phone, your computer via Bluetooth, or even back up to your PlayStation, make sure first your controller is turned off. Hold down the sharing button and the PlayStation button. After about 5 seconds, it'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.